frozen. Hold on. Someone, please help this computer. Mute. Satan, man. Telling you, this is Satan. Look, it won't even mute right now. This is terrible. This is, oh my gosh. Alright, girl. Alright. I think it's back to normal. Yep, I think it's moving. Look. It's moving now. Look, it's moving. It's better. Had this little fit. Had to let it happen because what am I gonna do? You can't stop somebody from having a fit. But we're gonna try this again because I'm just trying to play some music from it. Nah, let me stop. But I'm here to talk about and give an update on my laptop. Like I showed you, it freezes up, sometimes slows down, and sometimes it just like reboots itself. It's not that I don't like the computer. I actually love it. It's just that it gives me so much problems with the storage, and you can't really do anything on it if you don't have enough storage. So that's why I feel like it's better just get another computer. I tried using the SD card. I used the SD card, but it's like it still has storage problems. And like I try to keep up with it, delete some stuff. I don't know. Something up with the main hard drive. It has its pros, it has its cons. It's very light. I mean, I love it to death that it's light and very portable. That's all I have to say about the computer. I mean, I've been working with it. It's still pretty good. That's just an update on my laptop. It's still here. It's pretty fine. It's nice. It's good. You know, still in good shape. I liked it at first. I mean, I had it for a year now. But yeah, if y'all have any tips, just comment below on how I can get the storage, you know, fixed, or, you know, how I can get the SD card working a little bit better for it, for everything to go to that. Oh, I did go into settings and I had everything set to go to the SD card, but that hasn't been working. I did that from the beginning and that hasn't been working. And my other thing that I want to update on is my drone situation. I've seen some comments about what happened to the first drone, which was the, I believe, what was that thing called? Capture. That drone. I traded that in a couple days after I flew it, because I mean, it flies good. It really does fly good. It has its own like takeoff, landing, you know, GPS thing. It was pretty good. It was like nice and small, you know, nice and, you know, cute. Probably was easy to, you know, travel with, you know, since it's so small. But I did not like the camera. The camera wasn't like a good quality. I wanted something with a better camera. So I got the other drone, which is right here. It's still doing pretty good. So this drone has a better quality camera. It's a 4K camera that came with it. It's not a beginner drone, of course. Y'all saw my other videos. I've crashed this thing a little bit. Got a little beat up. But it's still fine. I still have my extra propellers that it came with, so it still has the first pair of propellers on here. The only bad thing about this drone is that you have to take off and land by yourself. And Also, you don't see live feed from the camera while you're flying it. Yeah, it doesn't have an app to the this Contixo. I know some of the drones, like the first one I had an app, a whole app to it, but this one doesn't. So that's why I was trying to figure out if anybody out there that has this drone know how to get the live feed on their camera while they're flying. You know, just let me know in the comments. But that's pretty much it for this video. There's my baby. And so, thank you for watching. And if you have any tips, please make sure to comment them below. Help me out a little, you know. And peace.